Hello, I am Agnes Arbat. I am a medical doctor and clinical pharmacologist. I am founder and CEO of Oxolife, a biotech company focused on female fertility. The embryo implantation failure is the most medical need in fertility. 65% of IVF or ICSI procedures fail due to embryo implantation, and we are addressing this space. At Oxolife, we are developing OXO-001. It's a tablet, non-hormonal, taken daily, and it acts on the endometrium, enhancing embryo implantation. So it's the first pharmaceutical compound or technique that enables to increase the chances that embryo implants and therefore increase live birth rates. The phase 2 clinical trial was performed in Europe in 3 countries with 28 sites. And we analyzed different outcomes in the pregnancy journey: biochemical pregnancy rate, clinical pregnancy rate, until live birth rate. And we see an increase in the biochemical pregnancy rate, which is the first signal of efficacy, of more than 23%. And the increase in live birth rate was almost 6.9, almost 7% increase live birth rates in the patients that were treated with OXO-001 compared with the patients that were treated with placebo. We are very excited with the results, and we have discussed the data with EMA, which is the European Medical Agency, and we are now preparing for the phase 3 study. And the phase 3 will be performed with 1,600 patients that are also that have a diagnosis of infertility, and that will have a transfer of own embryos. And yeah, we'll receive the drug with the compound some days before, well, some cycles before embryo transfer and after embryo transfer. Medication is taken daily, orally, and it's taken 1 cycle before embryo transfer, during the cycle of embryo transfer, and 5 weeks after embryo transfer, because we have seen that the effect is on implantation and post-implantation. So that's why the length of the treatment is from 10 to 12 weeks. So acts directly on the endometrium. And what it does is enhances the expression of key molecules that enable the embryo to stop rolling, adhere, and invade and complete the embryo implantation process. Well, I would like to show you the tablet. Is a non-hormonal tablet. It's taken daily, orally, and through our preclinical and clinical studies, we've seen that we know that our compound, the pill, is safe and well tolerated. And well, we are very happy about the efficacy outcomes, right? This product will target infertility patients with infertility, and not specifically repeated implantation failure. So we are studying with patients that go through IVF process, where we have seen the increase of implantation, ongoing pregnancy rates, and live birth rates. So at this moment, we are targeting all IVF patients. Many drugs are available to induce ovulation, and different techniques enable to fertilize the egg. But once the embryo is placed in the uterus, there's no compound that enlarges or increases the chance that the embryo implants. OXO-001 is the first pharmaceutical compound acting on the endometrium to enhance this chance of becoming pregnancies and increasing live birth rates. In the process of development, there are big challenges. Oxolife was founded more than 10 years ago, back in 2013, and we are now getting ready for the phase 3. So there's still time to achieve market. So the big challenge for me and also for the team is to balance the passion, and the need to achieve market, but also the timing. It takes time, and it takes also budget, and capital. So you have to balance all the emotion and passion, and also with the time that developing a drug needs. So sometimes this is the hardest thing. You have to go step by step. You have good days, but also days that needs, but not as good, and you have to find the way to solve problems. And once you have this balance on mind, then you just go step by step, moving forward. So Oxolife is preparing the phase 3 clinical trial. We will start in Europe, and then US, and later China, probably. and we will be in the market in 2032, 2033. And this is our next next step. We are fundraising now. We need to fundraise in order to perform the phase 3 in Europe and then also in US. So we are fundraising, and once we have the funds, we will go with the phase 3 clinical trial.